Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unlock Pi migrated balance in Pi wallet. Assuming that you already completed all previous steps of the manage checklist, how long it takes for you to receive your balance depends on how many other pioneers are currently in the migration queue. So don't worry if it takes more than just a few days once the migration started. You just have to be patient. After all, what difference does it make to wait a few days after mining Pi for a year or maybe even longer? Once your migration got processed, you would then receive your verified Pi coins under consideration of your initial lockup settings in your Pi wallet, which would then look like it doesn't on my phone here. And unless you opted for a 100 lockup, you would see two entries, one reflecting your locked up balance and the other reflecting the amount of your Pi coins that will turn into your available balance after 14 days. When you click on one of these entries, you can also see exactly when the balance will become available. The big question is, why is my available balance still zero when in fact my Pi coin should have unlocked already? And the answer to that is that there is another step needed to actually move the balance from locked up state into the available state. To do that, simply select the migration tab here and you will see the again both balances with either the date they will unlock at, or like in my case, a convert button, coins that I have coins that already unlocked. Once you press the convert button and confirm the pop-up, your balance will be added to your available balance and you will be finally able to transfer Pi coins to other Pi wallet. And that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to unlock Pi migrated balance. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.